Give a shout out kay Governor Jerry. Thank you so much, Gov, for being here. And of course, the Headline Business Group, and of course, the good friend of Cabugao, Mayor Bonito Singson. Of course, Yasi, thank you for being our franchiser for the Jollibee Group. And of course, I will not forget yung matagal-tagal na nanliligaw dito sa Cabugao. For how many years? 2018 to last year. Last year lang kita sinagot. Para kung gano'n, umuha na tayo, nagpasita tayo dito sa Jollibee. And thank you so much to the BCS Group for always believing in Cabugao and its potential, and for recognizing the value that we bring to the brand, and of course, what we can share, not only to our fellow Cabugaoans, but to all of our passers-by in our great municipality. So I can see nothing but success for the group of BCS and of course the franchise of the Jollibee. And I look forward to even more establishments in the future to promote local economic development and tourism within our great municipality. So thank you so much again, and great morning to you.
So thanks so much, Mayor Josh Cobangbang. Wow. We give you